Hi guys, Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. So in my previous video you have seen how to make endu merapakaya pappu or dry red chili dal. Now we'll see how to make Chettinad Senakazangu fry or chamadumpa fry. We'll see what are all the ingredients we need to make this Chettinad Arbi fry. These are the ingredients we need to make our Chettinad Arbi fry. Here I have taken my Arbi or Senakazangu 750 grams. It's half cooked, and here I have taken 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan flour, and here I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and here I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and here I have taken 2 tablespoons of red chili powder because this dish is going to be spicy. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Here I have taken 3 red chilies, dry red chilies. Here I have taken some pepper powder. Pepper powder is optional. I have taken like 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. Here I have taken 2 onions, finely chopped onions, and I have taken 2 tomatoes. Even this one is finely chopped, or you can just grind it in your blender. No need to make it a paste. And here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I have taken some curry leaves and coriander leaves, and salt to taste, and some oil to fry our Arbi. Now into a bowl, we'll take our besan flour, rice flour, corn flour, turmeric, just half a spoon, pepper, just half portion, red chili powder also half portion, little bit of salt. Now we'll mix everything together properly. Now into Arbi, we'll add all the mixed powder, spiced powder into this, and we'll mix them thoroughly. So that this powder is coated evenly in all our Arbi pieces. Now after mixing this, we'll sprinkle a little bit of water into this. We'll mix again thoroughly. If your Arbi was wet before itself, no need to add extra water. Mine was little bit dry, so I have added water. If you feel it is dry, you can add still more water. So here mine is still dry. I'm going to add still more water into this. But be very much careful not to add lots of water. Just we want all the spices and the powder to coat on our Arbi. So I have mixed all my spice powder into this Arbi. This is done. Now we'll go into our next procedure. I have taken some oil to fry this mixed Arbi. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add our Arbi one by one. You can see all our masalas has fried properly. At this stage, we'll remove this Arbi from the stove. Now into a white pan, taken some oil. I'm going to add 3 red chilies into this, ginger garlic paste. This is half cooked. Now we'll add our onion. Once our onion turns its color, now we'll add our tomatoes. After adding our tomatoes, now I'm going to add the remaining turmeric powder into this. Now we'll cook until all the water is evaporated and our tomatoes is cooked completely. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dhania powder or coriander powder. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Now I'm adding pepper powder followed with our red chili powder. In the last, I'm going to add salt. Into this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curry spice powder. Now I'm adding my curry leaves and followed with our coriander leaves. Just give a quick mix. Since all my masalas has become like a thick consistency, I'm going to add a little bit of water into this just to loosen it up. Now I'm going to add my fried arbis into this. We'll mix it very gently. Look at this spicy color, it looks so nice. This dish you can eat it as a side dish for your rasam rice or sambar rice or whatever it is, and even you can make it as evening snacks also. I'm giving just a slight mix so that all the water evaporates and all the masalas will coat into our arbi. While adding water to the masala, just be careful, we don't need to add lots of water, otherwise the water will be absorbed by this arbi and it will become very much soggy. We don't want that taste in this. We want to have a crunchy taste of this arbi which was fried in oil before, with all the masalas we added into that. And now after adding this fried arbis into this onion tomato masala, it gives extra taste and crunchiness to this dish. Now I have coated all my arbis and it's time to switch off the flame. And that's it, we are coming to end of this video. My lunch menu, the fusion version of lunch menu from Rayalaseema, my endumirapkai pappu or dry chili dal, and my Chettinad Arbi fry. This one goes very well with rice and ghee. You have to add rice and ghee, and with this dal it tastes so amazing, so heavenly taste and very flavorful side dish for this. I hope you love this video and you will do this in your house also. If you did, please tell me your feedback in my comment box. I love to hear from you all. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to it. We'll meet you in the next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. Senakazangu fry in Chettinadu. Chettinadu. Chettinadu Senakazangu. Syamava. என்னப்பா சேனக்கிழங்கா? எனக்கு சியாமாலாம் வருது. Chettinad Senakazangu fry.